Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 3 and the final part of the engine ticking noise on my Triumph Tiger 2013 model. I got it sorted out, but it took a while to prepare this video. I ordered the parts for the repair, which was the hydraulic tensioner and the cam chain and the hydraulic tensioner gasket and the cam right side cam cover gasket. I got it ordered from UK instead of going through the dealer because the turnaround time was around 4 months, and I got the parts directly from another shop from UK. I got it within 2 weeks time. So I got the old cam chain and the hydraulic tensioner replaced, and luckily it was nothing to do with the cylinder head or the engine head rather, which is good. So right now the engine is very less noisy and it doesn't make any like excessive ticking noise after this replacement. So my initial fear of thinking that the issue was with the engine head, it's not there anymore. So that's good. So if any of you guys are having the same issue where it's like making excessive ticking in such low kilometers, like 30,000 kilometers, yes, it's probably the cam chain and the tensioner. If you swap that with new OEM set, you should be good to go. I'm happy with the outcome. And since this repair, it was 34,000 kilometers, and now I have done 38, so still it's good. No any other issues. Yeah, so I hope this video helped you guys, and cheers.